When mounting your MX7 roof rack, refer to the installation guide for the details on the beam mount spacing and where the quick release plate can go. On the vehicle I'm using in this example, due to the fixed crossbar spacing, I have to put the quick release plate in between the beam mounts. Use the included locking plate hardware to secure each beam mount to your vehicle's crossbars. Note there are two different lengths of bolts you can choose from. Use the included 6mm hex key to secure each beam mount with its locking plates. The included 5mm hex key is used to secure each beam mount where you need to place it along the roof rack. It's also used to secure the mounting plate and the quick release plate. Note this installation reference pin on the quick release plate should be to the rear of your driving direction. Forward in this example is to the left. Once your MX7 is in place, use the 6mm hex key to tighten each of the mounting screws on all four corners of the MX7. Take care to align the red dot on each cable with its corresponding socket. Lastly, plug in the power and data cables to the MX7 head. Secure any loose cables with tie downs as needed, and you're ready to power on your system.